Many of Ukraine's operators has become expert in dropping ordnance with high precision, but perfection comes after a lot of practice. Here we can see a drone operator practicing hitting an abandoned BMP-1 by dropping high explosive dual-purpose grenades. These have increased penetration capability compared to only high explosive warheads. Due to the movement of the drone, wind, height, dropping mechanism, tail fin stability with much more makes it hard to hit with high precision when dropping ordnance. This drone operator manages to miss 3 times, hit the edge 2 times, and with 4 good hits, using a total of 9 grenades, while the BMP-1 was most likely completely destroyed after the first hit, as smoke from inside can be seen. The drone operator continued to narrow down his or her aim, showing also small craters in the beginning of the video, indicating most likely more practice run before. The BMP-1 caught fire and exploded after the 9th drop, letting the drone operator to move on to another target to practice on. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.